Right, this is Orlando Wilson. I'm here with Dionysios Bastas.
Bastas, but it's okay.
All right. All right, I've got a question. He's always asking me questions. I'm going to ask him a question. Okay, tell me about drones. How do you see drones being applicable in the security world?
Well, drones, they give you eyes beyond your eyes. You might have a guard going around, but he's not going to see much in the dark. But a drone, it will be up higher, and it will give you eyes to a distance that you wouldn't be able to see otherwise. Besides that, a guy that you use walking around, a guard or whatever, will be spotted by the other guys, but by the bad guys who want to do something. A drone, it might go unspotted because it will be flying high, because you can make sure that its lights are not seen. So these are just a few things that come in my mind.
I was surprised because you were showing me about drones the past few days of one, how easy they are to use, and even the smaller ones we were using, how high they can fly, to put it simply, and also the qualities of the image, the quality of the images and video you can get from them.
Obviously, sorry to cut you, obviously what you pay is what you get. During daytime, most of the cameras, they can get good results, but during nighttime you need to have good quality cameras, thermal cameras, which drives up the cost.
I see now, from what, again, we've been talking for a while about this, I see a big application for drones in the private security world, close protection world. How do you see drones developing over the next couple of years?
To be honest, it's an estimation, because the industry is moving that fast that to be able to say that you predict how it will go, you know, it's one thing that I am sure is that it's going to be everywhere. I can imagine people who want to hire teams, that it's going to be teams plus a drone, or people who want to have their property protected. It's not going to be simply guards, it's going to be guards and drones.
Yeah, I see it 100%, and especially for stuff like route reconnaissance, etc., maritime security, there's a huge application. But yeah, you've opened my eyes to the drone world, so thank you very much, Dionysios.
Well, I'm glad that I'm useful to you.
I wouldn't go that far. Anyway, thanks for answering the questions, and we'll be talking, Dionysios will be talking more about drones in the future, and I'm sure we'll be talking more about drones in the future. If you've got any comments, send them to Dionysios, because I'm not that sociable. Thank you.